Okay, we got another winner, everybody. Are you excited? I am. Isn't this fun? Uh, I love making all these, but giving them away seems to be a whole lot more fun than making them. It's a shame I can't make them any faster, isn't it? Or I can't afford double the postage anyway. But anyway, this one, today's winner of November the 19th giveaway, which was this circles piece here, is, and I believe it's Mary from New Zealand. It's Mary or Marie or Murray, or I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry, but I'm thinking maybe Mary. But anyway, from Mary lives in New Zealand, so this will be going internationally to New Zealand. And I hope you enjoy it. And thank you so much for participating here at Icky Chic Designs. Now, what are we coming up with? What is the giveaway for November 20th? Let's see here. It's going to be this piece right here. This is a 6x9, and it's a piece that I have stitched. Okay. It's ready for any additional stitching or embellishment that you want to do, or just frame it, hang it, however you want to do it. And we're going to add just a couple little things with it. We're going to add this little house feature here that you can put in one of your projects, and this little package of embellishments. It's got some sequins and different yarns and little ribbon. So that will be going in our package for November the 20th. All right, here we go. We still got a lot of giveaways left. Remember that this goes through December the 15th, so it's a whole month of giveaways. And so don't give up. Keep on entering. Till next time, let's all stay very, very scrap happy.